Welcome to BestoLMS. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a teacher to your school system in just a few simple steps. From the side menu, under the People section, click on Teachers. Now, you'll see the option Add Your First Teacher or the Add Teacher button on the top right corner. Click on it. Here, start by entering the teacher's first name and last name. Next, create a username and password for their login access. Fill in their email address, phone number, and residential address. Choose the teacher's gender and enter their date of birth. Now, assign the subject that this teacher will handle. You can assign multiple subjects if needed. Finally, click on Create Teacher, and your teacher profile is ready. That's it. You've successfully added a teacher in BestoLMS. With every teacher linked to their subjects, managing your school's academic flow becomes smoother and more efficient. Stay tuned for more quick guides on BestoLMS.